Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a perfect lemon drop martini like a pro. The lemon drop martini was invented in the 1970s by Norman J. Hobday, the founder of Henry Africa's Bar in California. This classic cocktail is beautifully concocted with 4 simple ingredients: classic vodka, Cointreau, lemon juice, and simple syrup. I hope you will like this recipe. So let's go and jump in. Let's start by rimming a glass. Use fresh castor sugar. Castor sugar is not a powdered one, but finely ground granulated sugar. Now take a small piece of lemon, and carefully rub it on the edge of the glass. Perfect. Now lightly move the glass on the sugar. In this way the sugar will be stuck to the edge of the glass, and create a beautiful rim. Give little jerk to remove loose sugar. Your glass is now perfectly rimmed. So let's jump into the mixology. Now take a mixing glass and start pouring with me. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Pour 2 ounces of vodka. The quality of a vodka depends on the type of material used, and for how many times it has been distilled. Today I am using a triple distilled vodka. What about you? Pour half an ounce of Cointreau. If you don't have a Cointreau, use triple sec. Pour half an ounce of simple syrup. You can prepare simple syrup very easily at home, just by mixing an equal part of sugar and water. And lastly, pour 1 ounce of lime mix. The lime mix is lighter and less sour than lemon juice. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. Now add 4 to 5 ice cubes, and shake vigorously. This method is known as shake and strain in mixology terminology, and generally used to make cocktails which are served straight up. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and mixology tidbits. Now fix a Hawthorne strainer, and double strain the cocktail straight up into the glass. I will be happy if you enjoy this cocktail with your friends, and share your experience with me. Please feel free to contact for any queries or suggestions. I would love to hear from you. The lemon drop martini is now ready for you. So let's garnish this cocktail. Today I am using a beautiful dehydrated lemon wheel. If you want to know how to prepare this garnish at home, please write to me. Cheers, and have a great weekend. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.